In this video, I will show you that how you can change or update DNS domain name servers for your domain name in GoDaddy. For instance, you have domains which you have purchased from GoDaddy and hosting you are using another website. Like there are lots of companies, for instance, GoDaddy or HostGator or InterServer. So if you are using any other hosting company, then how you can update DNS according to your hosting provider. Here you can see I have three domains like learneasycode.com, myreviews.site and omerbut.com. So for example, if I want to change DNS for this domain myreviews.site, so we can click on DNS. Then you can see here records and name servers. So name servers by default, when you purchase domain from GoDaddy, you can see default name servers. So you can change according to your hosting. When you open control panel of your hosting, where you can see like this default DNS server I'm using, InterServer. So I can see here two DNS server like DNS this and DNS this. So how I can update in GoDaddy? We can click on change and then you can see here choose your new name server type. By default it is default, so you can select custom and then in name server you can see here two fields. So we can update, we can copy this first and then second name server we can copy and paste here. Now save it. So name server has been updated in GoDaddy. So this was the tutorial where you have learned like how you can change easily domain name servers in GoDaddy domain name according to your hosting provider. Thank you very much.